Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic, can I use Credit Karma outside the United States? The straightforward answer is that Credit Karma services are primarily for residents of the United States. They have expanded to a few other countries, specifically the United Kingdom and Canada, but their services are tailored to the credit and financial systems of those specific regions. For example, a U.S. Credit Karma account will not work to check your credit in the U.K., and a U.K. account will not work for your U.S. credit. This is because credit scores and reports are not transferable between countries. Each country has its own system for tracking and reporting credit history. If you are a resident of a country where Credit Karma operates, like the U.S., Canada, or the U.K., you can use the service within that country. If you move to a new country, you will need to establish a credit history and use a credit monitoring service that is specific to that new country. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.